rainfall will be possible. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, gulches, roads, and poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Kinnickinnick, Chambers Lake, and Rustic. This includes the following additional locations: Sky Ranch, gulches along Highway 14 and above Rustic, rising water and large debris in the Poudre River, Crown Point Road, the Upper Poudre Canyon, the Laramie River Road near Chambers Lake, Long Draw Road, remote areas in the Cameron Peak Wilderness and Head Creek. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Heavy rainfall will cause flash flooding of small creeks, streams, and ditches in the affected part of the Cameron Peak burn area. Rock slides or debris flows can also be expected across rural roads.
Sam's radio isn't responding. Please check its network connection and power supply.
Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, roads, and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include the southern portions of the Cameron Peak burn area near Glen Hazen in central Illinois County. This includes the following additional locations: the retreat from Storm Mountain. Move to higher ground now. Quickly to protect your life. This is a life-threatening situation. Heavy rainfall will cause extensive and severe flooding. Streams, roads, and culverts in the affected part of the Cameron Peak burn area. This includes the slopes along the north fork of the Big Thompson and the Middle Fork. Rock slides or debris flows can also be expected across roads in warm areas.
Daylight time, a confirmed tornado was located over northwestern Aurora, or 9 miles east of Denver, moving west at 10 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: weather spotters confirm tornado. Impact: expect damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain near Buckley Air Force Base and nearby surrounding locations in northwestern Arapahoe and southern Adams counties.
The radio's about to die.
A tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Showers and thunderstorms are forecast mainly for the mountains.
You are off the air.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, the tone alert will be activated to warn of the impending ice. This test of the warning alert is only conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. However, if severe weather threatens the area near the test time, the test will be postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm may vary at any given location. This variability will normally be more noticeable at greater distances from the translator, even though you are using a high-quality receiver. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for all of north central and northeastern Colorado.
The 10 a.m. observations around north.
Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams. Here is the extended forecast for the Denver and Boulder area. Sunday. Box Prairie, Upper Buckhorn along County Road 44H, Crystal Mountain, Monument Gulch, Jack's Gulch, Upper Pingree Park Road and Lower Pingree Park Road. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Heavy rainfall will cause flash flooding of small creeks, streams, and ditches in the affected part of the Cameron Peak burn area. Rock slides or debris flows can also be expected across rural roads.
Until 4:15 p.m. At 3:40. At 10 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated location. Impact: expects damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This dangerous storm will be near northeastern Commerce City around 4:00 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Advisory in effect until 6:15 p.m.
Partly sunny and 88. Elsewhere in the...
Sorry, what? Just silence. go. Flash flood warning for my county.
The National Weather Service in Denver has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Adams County in northeastern Colorado, northwestern Arapahoe County in northeastern Colorado, central Denver County in northeastern
I'll see you in a
Colorado
second.
until 9:15 p.m.
Daylight time. Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms.
Producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.75 to 1.5 inches in 30 minutes. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1.5 inches possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
See it there?
Source:
Not yet.
radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, gulches, roads, and poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Denver, western Aurora, southwestern Thornton, southwestern Commerce City, and southeastern Federal Heights. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Excessive runoff from the storm will cause flash flooding of small creeks and streams, highways, streets, underpasses, drainage areas, and other low-lying spots.
Alright, I got it.
This is NOAA All Hazards Radio.
So I'm not under it, but
Your normal program
I'm nearby.
suspended due to
And
severe
it's
weather
past.
in the listening area.
Okay.
Northeastern Colorado, northwestern Arapahoe County in northeastern Colorado, central Denver County in northeastern Colorado until 10:15 p.m. At 9:08 p.m. Mountain Daylight
extended
Time, Emergency Management reported flash flooding across northeast Denver. Interstate 70 remains closed between Brighton Boulevard and Colorado Boulevard. Minor street flooding has also been reported near City Park. Between 1 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
They extended the time and I didn't think it would tone again.
Emergency Management reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, gulches, roads, and poor drainage and low-lying areas.
Colorado, northwestern Arapahoe County in northeastern Colorado, central Denver County in northeastern Colorado until 10:15 p.m. At 9:08 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time.
Encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Excessive runoff from the storm will cause flash flooding of small creeks and streams, highways, streets, underpasses, drainage areas, and other low-lying spots. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source:
8:50.
Emergency Management reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, gulches, roads, poor drainage, and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Denver, western Aurora, southwestern Thornton, southwestern Commerce City, and southeastern Federal Heights. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur.
Flooding is already occurring.
Underpasses, drainage areas, and other low-lying spots.
Thunderstorms. Source: Emergency Management reported.
1035.
Impact: flash flooding of small creeks, roads, and poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Denver, western Aurora, southwestern Thornton, southwestern
Dude, the zone guard won't shut off.
Federal Heights. Turn around.
There we go.
Sunday, August 7th at Colorado Social Frontier. What to me right now that are terrible. One, I am. Acted in a. He probably. Murder program. First name is 740.